Hello everyone and welcome back to Azra Khan Fitness. I'm your nutritionist Azra Khan, and in today's video I'm going to launch a brand new series where I will be reviewing celebrity diet influencers on YouTube and Instagram. I'll be reviewing them. इन इंडिया वी ऑल आर ऑब्सेस विद सेलिब्रिटीज. वो क्या खा रहे हैं, किस तरीके से वो अपने आप को फिट रख रहे हैं. सो दिस इज माई लिटिल अटेम्प्ट ऑफ मेकिंग दीज सेलिब्रिटी डाइट प्लान्स अ लिटिल पॉकेट फ्रेंडली. एज अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट, what I suggest you to do if you are following this diet plan, what changes you can do to make it a little more budget friendly, and I hope you get something out of it after watching the complete video. Without further ado, let's begin with the video. So today I'm going to review Komal Pandey's What I Eat in a Day. It is on YouTube and it has about 1.1 million views.
हाँ हाँ, ये क्या है? तो ये वाला दूध हम लोग यूज करते हैं एंड आई डोंट कंज्यूम डेयरी एट ऑल.
Okay, so Komal Pandey has said that she has quit dairy and she is now consuming almond milk, which is, अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है that आप uncomfortable हो after consuming dairy, आपको digestion issues हो रहे हैं, acne, cystic acne हो रहा है, and if you try and quit dairy and it improves, that means you are lactose intolerant, and it is okay if you can switch from एनिमल मिल्क टू प्लांट बेस्ड मिल्क. बहुत सारे वीगन्स हैं आजकल जो प्लांट बेस्ड मिल्क भी कंज्यूम करते हैं, विच इज गुड एंड इट इज अ पर्सनल चॉइस. ऑफ कोर्स अफोर्डेबिलिटी इज अ की फैक्टर व्हेन इट कम्स टू preparing a meal plan. So if she has switched to almond milk, I think there is no issue. If she is feeling her gut is better, her digestion is better, her skin is better, then I think it is a good choice if you switch to. Komal Pandey had Chila. उन्होंने 1 कप ग्रीन टी या कैमोमिल टी, वट एवर टी, एंड गुड अमाउंट ऑफ फ्रूट्स. इट इज अ decent quantity and I think it is a very good in the morning. If you have fruits, it is much better than having it later in the day. So that is what she also did. Chila is a carb source, तो उनकी डाइट में प्रोटीन मिसिंग था, बट हियर आई सी that she is also having eggs, which is a good protein source, which is a great thing. तो overall उनका breakfast बहुत ज़्यादा filling है. Her breakfast looks very lavish, I must say, and it is very nutritious as well.
ये बेसन का चीला है, इसमें प्याज और मिर्ची वगैरह है. इसको ऑलिव ऑयल में बनाया है, ज़्यादा ऑलिव ऑयल नहीं डाला है, and that's how I like it. And these are some
grapes are again a little higher in fructose, but एज आई सेड कि सुबह सुबह ले रहे हो, अगर हाई शुगर कंटेंट फ्रूट भी ले रहे हो, इट इज गुड. इट स्पाइक्स अप योर. पूरा फास्टिंग स्टेट में गुजारी है रात, सुबह सुबह उठ के इफ यू आर हैविंग समथिंग जो कि हाई इन फ्रक्टोज है, इट इज अ गुड ऑप्शन.
ये है जैगरी. अभी
So Komal Pandey is also using jaggery in her tea, which I also do personally use it. And again, I will say jaggery or sugar दोनों ही equal calories के होते हैं. It is just that it is naturally derived. That is why वो थोड़ा सा बेहतर उसकी processing की जाती है. That is the only difference. Calories दोनों में same होती हैं. And again, it is the personal choice. आप white sugar ले सकते हो. It is much more processed. That is why I always ask you to opt for jaggery. हाँ, अगर आप अपनी calories को cut कर रहे हो for weight loss, you can always substitute the sweetener with a natural 0-calorie sweetener, which is stevia, much better than sugar free. For she had chilas, she had eggs, she had almond milk tea, she had fruits, a pretty filling breakfast, I must say. How you can have multiple small meals rather than having 2-3 large meals, and it is better for your digestion. इसीलिए मैं अगर होती कोमल पांडे की जगह पे, तो इस मील को मैं 2 हिस्सों में जरूर डिवाइड करती. फर्स्ट आई वुड हैव हैड माई फ्रूट्स एंड उसके बाद फिर मैं चीला और एग्स खाती, एंड देन आई वुड हैव टेकन चाय. एम्प्टी स्टमक चाय नहीं लेनी चाहिए, इट कैन लीड टू गैस. सो दैट इज वाई आई रियली अवॉइड हैविंग एनी कैफीन अर्ली इन द ब्रेकफास्ट. करने के 1-1.5 घंटे बाद यू कैन हैव इट. दैट इज पर्सनली माई ओपिनियन एंड हाउ आई गाइड माई क्लाइंट्स. Everyone's opinion can be different. Nutrition is something which is customizable. It can be customized according to what your preference is. That is why in my 5 meals a day wala video also I explained, don't jump onto the bandwagon. Take your time and adapt करिए. अगर आपको सूट करता है, नहीं करता मत करिए. Now we have jumped directly to lunch. Let's see what her lunch looks like. Okay, so Komal Pandey here is having rice, and you guys have seen that she's pretty fit. So ये misconception कि rice नहीं खा सकते. Whatever suits your body type, you can have it. Like I am seeing that she is not consuming wheat, so I am assuming that she is gluten intolerant as well. So अगर उनको gluten suit नहीं करता, still she is incorporating carbs in her diet. Carbs को eliminate नहीं कर रही है, which is a really good thing, especially in Indian climate. आई थिंक हमारे इंडिया में कार्ब्स भरपूर मात्रा में मिलते हैं, उनकी उपज भी होती है, एग्रीकल्चर भी होता है व्हीट एंड राइस का. सो इफ all of us stop having rice and wheat altogether, farmers को भी दिक्कत हो सकती है. So eat what is local and she's having rice, which is a good. Also really like these kind of Buddha bowls जिसमें मैं अपना सारी चीजें mix करके एक साथ उसको खाती हूँ. I really like that way of eating and she's eating the same way. So she's having again our basic Indian khana, dal chawal sabzi. She's having it, and one thing which is missing in her lunch is salad. I always emphasize on having enough fiber, otherwise you can get bloated, constipated. और उसके लिए salad होगी अगर तो इनका meal और ज़्यादा बेहतर हो सकता है. She could have added some sort of salad, maybe cucumbers, tomatoes, lettuce, whatever was available, beetroots. These are the things which will satiate her for longer also. And उसके साथ साथ इनका micronutrients को भी check में रखता है. Vitamins, minerals, zinc, selenium, these are also very important. And fiber from salad helps in catering to that aspect. They are micronutrients, still they are essential in our diet. So dal chawal sabzi, perfect meal हमारे इंडियन खाने के हिसाब से. She could have added some protein source also in her diet, but उन्होंने eggs incorporate किए थे in the morning, which is I think उन्हें प्रोटीन अब ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं थी इस मील में. इट इज पर्सनल चॉइस डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट योर गोल इज राइट नाउ.
Normally, I like having achar or like garlic chutney with it.
अचार चटनी आर वेरी गुड. यू शुड ऐड इट इन योर मील्स बिकॉज ये एक तरह के प्रोबायोटिक की तरह ऐड करते हैं आपकी गट को हेल्दी रखने में. इट रियली हेल्प्स. सो अचार से दूर नहीं भागना है. यू कैन हैव. कोमल पांडे ऐसा नहीं है कि वो सिर्फ लार्ज मील्स खाती है. शी इज स्नैकिंग इन बिटवीन. एंड उन्होंने फर्स्ट स्नैक में एग्स खाए थे, आई एम अज्यूमिंग, और उसमें बाद में खाए थे. एंड नाउ शी इज हैविंग अनदर स्नैक. लेट्स सी व्हाट्स शी हैविंग इन स्नैक्स.
Now, so time है कुछ और खाने का. Called nachi chips. मेरे घर में कम से कम
Nachni is a ragi flour and nachni ki roti. Nachni is really good, but chips, according to me, is not a very healthy option. चाहे वो नाचनी के हो, it is still processed. चाहे वो baked हो, still उसके अंदर preservatives होते हैं. Once in a while is okay, but don't make it a habit of snacking onto these things. Rather, she could have snacked on a handful of nuts, which could have been a much better option than consuming these kind of processed chips.
love grapes. I love watermelon juice.
Okay, again she is consuming grapes right now, which is also good. But chips को eliminate किया जा सकता था इस point पे, because as it is she is eating very healthy. I must say that.
watermelon honey, and also some seasoned water. So that's that. And otherwise, so Dolly ने अपना भी वो किया था, plantation drive किया था. There was this really cool brand called Nutrient Page. They came there, they sponsored the discussion part of it, and so they gave me these rice plates.
Guys, I would always recommend कि ये सब चीज़ें ना बहुत ज़्यादा फैंसी लगती हैं, but it is very hard to maintain it, especially if you are not an influencer. You don't have people sending you a lot of stuff, right? No shade, but आपको अपना pocket का ध्यान रखते हुए you can easily snack on roasted makhanas or nuts, as I always say. And इस तरह की चीज़ें you can definitely if your pocket allows, but it is not a necessity, is what I'm trying to say. Okay?
It's a very cool mixture of flaxseed, but we call it, and then this cocktail seed mix. Now,
so seed mix is also a really good snacking option, and this is what she's showing right now, which is a very healthy option. You can mix roasted flax seeds, roasted chia seeds together, sunflower seeds together. Make it your own mixture rather than बाहर से लेके आना and उसको फिर consume करना. Because जैसे कि मैंने कहा उसमें preservatives होते ही हैं, तो उसको avoid करने के लिए you can make your own mixture at home. And very soon I'm going to share with you an entire recipe of how you can make your own seed mixture and snack on it whenever you feel like. Okay, let's take it forward to.
मुझे याद है कि जब मैं दुनिया की सबसे अनहेल्दी इंसान
मैं भी.
हुआ करती थी up until I think about a year ago. Now suddenly I have become extremely healthy. I take a lot of pride on it, but it's sorry.
It is so true. If you are used to having a certain type of food, if you are used to having a certain type of routine, it is very difficult to reprogram. I have done it. I had completely reprogrammed my entire life, not just food. And it is not easy, guys. So अगर आप भी struggle कर रहे हो और आप सोचते हो कि why are they doing it so easily and I can't? वो तो इतने fit हैं बिना कुछ किए. You can see how much of effort goes into being fit and staying fit and healthy. And it is a lot of work, guys, and you have to put in a lot of work in order to achieve those results. Dinner time.
Having grilled chicken
With salad, lots of salad.
and it with a lot of
Okay, so as I said कि रात को उन्होंने दोपहर में सैलेड नहीं लिया था, but she compensated it in the dinner where she's having chicken salad. I love chicken salad.
Lettuce.
I love lettuce.
love lettuce.
She also loves lettuce. Alright guys, so this was the entire review. I really enjoyed reviewing her diet. उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा गलतियाँ भी नहीं थी. It was pretty healthy. She did not show her water intake, but I'm sure she's having enough water. She has amazing skin. Her overall diet was pretty low in calorie, but she's pretty petite. That is why she's consuming those calories around 1100, 1200. But if you are someone who is taller than she is, you can always increase the portion size and maintain the calories which your BMR suits. With that, I come to the end of this review and this episode 1 of Celebrity Diet Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video. अगर आपको इस तरह के reviews और चाहिए अलग अलग celebrities के be it YouTubers and Bollywood actors, television actors, whatever, let me know in the comment section, and I will try to come up with videos on this series every week or every 15 days. Let's see how the response is on the first video, and then we'll take it from there. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fit, stay happy, stay healthy. Goodbye.